Hello and welcome to our video on digital marketing. Today, we'll be talking about what digital marketing is and exploring some of its key concepts. So, let's dive in. Digital marketing is the use of digital technologies to promote products, services, and brands. It involves various methods, such as search engine optimization, social media advertising, and email marketing to reach and engage potential customers. One of the key concepts of digital marketing is the focus on behavior-based marketing. This means that marketers use data and customer interactions to personalize their marketing efforts and target relevant audiences. This approach helps to improve conversion rates and build stronger relationships with customers. Another important concept is the growth of social media marketing. Social media platforms have become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their customers and promote their products or services. Marketers use a combination of content, engagement, and advertising to reach their target audience and build their brand. Now, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a strategy that helps to improve the visibility of a website or a business content in search engine results. This means that when people search for relevant keywords and phrases, their searches will show results from businesses that are relevant and have good reputations. Lastly, email marketing is another key concept in digital marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to communicate with customers and promote products or services. It involves sending out regular newsletters, promotions, and updates to subscribers. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential tool for businesses to reach their target audience and grow their revenue. By understanding these key concepts, marketers can optimize their marketing efforts and build a strong foundation for their business. Thank you for watching.